Now let's start another command, that is polygon. Okay, polygon. The shortcut key for polygon is POL. You can either access from the command line or from the ribbon bar. From the ribbon bar, you can go there. See, can you see this small arrow? Just left click here. There are two options, rectangle and polygon. You can access rectangle from here as well, from the ribbon bar, and polygon from here. Okay. Yes. So polygon, enter number of sides. Obviously, you have to mention the number of sides for drawing the polygon. Actually, here the polygon which we are going to draw, it is a regular polygon. Means all the sides are equal. All the length of the sides, okay, are equal. So let me take 6. Okay. Now the center of the polygon. So let's say this is the center of the polygon. Just left click. Now it will ask, once you select the center, okay, there will be two options, inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. Let me choose inscribed in circle. So inscribed in circle means the polygon will be drawn inside the circle. Now it is asking, specify the radius of the circle. Now from where this circle comes, what is the concept of this circle? Okay, let me explain that first, then I will come to the polygon command again. So as of now, I am escaping it. So there will be two options, inscribed in circle, right? Inscribed in circle. Inscribed in circle means inside the circle. The polygon will be drawn inside the circle like this. See, this is a hexagon, regular hexagon where all the sides are equal. By taking this as center, actually this is the center of the polygon as well, and this is the center of the circle as well. Means the center of the polygon, that is centroid of the polygon, and center of the circle will be coinciding, and this is the radius. This radius is asking. This is inscribed in circle, means the polygon is inside the circle. There is one more option, circumscribed about circle. Circumscribed about circle. Okay, now circumscribed about circle means outside the circle the polygon will be drawn like this. Like this. You can see all the sides. All the sides are tangent to this circle. This side is also tangent to this circle. So this is the circumscribed about circle. And obviously the radius is this one. This is the radius. So I can better explain, or I can better understand the polygon using a circle. So let's draw two circles and let me explain one by one, inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. Let me draw a circle of 50 radius. This is one circle and this is another circle of 50 radius. Now let's go to polygon. You can access polygon from the ribbon bar as well. See, from here. Yes, from here. Yes, this one. Right? Now enter the number of side, 6. So already 6 is by default. So press enter. Now center of the polygon. Obviously the center of the polygon will be the center of this circle. Okay. So this is the center. Sometimes this center might not show. So you have to hover your mouse. Then it will start showing like this. See here. Yes. Okay. So left click. Now inscribed in circle. Now what is the radius of my circle which I have drawn? It is 50. So I will take as 50. So see, it is inscribed. Inscribed means inside the circle. Okay. Now let's go to polygon again. POL. Enter. Enter the number of side is 6. Enter. This is the center of the polygon. To left click. Then circumscribed about circle. Left click. Radius is 50. 50. So see. So there are two polygons which I have drawn. There are two polygons which I have drawn. One is circumscribed about circle and another one is inscribed in circle. Means inside the circle, and this is outside the circle. And each line, each side of the polygon is tangent to this particular circle. Yes. So this is how we have to mention number of side. We have to mention whether it is inside or outside the circle. And third is radius. I hope you got my point. Let's go to polygon again. Number of side, let me take 3. 3 means obviously it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. There is one more option. First option was center of polygon. Another option is edge. So first edge point. Let's say this is the first edge point. See, this is the second edge point. Means we are specifying the length of the side, length of the edge of the polygon. What is this edge? See, this is the edge. Okay, this length we are talking about. Obviously. Okay, see, let me show it again. Polygon. Number of side, let me take, obviously, if I take 4, it will be a square. Let me take 5. Pentagon. Let's go to edge. First endpoint. This is the first endpoint. Second endpoint. If you press F8, F8 means ortho on. See, ortho on. As the ortho is on, now the pentagon will not rotate. Okay. If I ortho off by F8, see, the pentagon can rotate. Where you want to place? Here, here, here. I haven't pressed the left click. So let's say F8 is on. Okay. And now it is asking specify second endpoint. So as the ortho is on, so you can directly enter. Let me take the side length of the polygon, that is heptagon. Sorry, not heptagon, pentagon. The side length of the pentagon as 50. Enter. So this is a pentagon whose side length is 50. Do you want to see? Parametric, linear. See, 50. It's very simple. Okay. So this is how you can draw. Let me draw a hexagon, 6. Go to edge by left click, edge, first endpoint. This is the first endpoint. Now the ortho is off, right? The ortho is on, sorry, the ortho is on. That's why it is not rotating. See, the ortho is on. Now this is another hexagon. By taking this as reference, this is the, see, as of now, this line this horizontal line is the base. If you take 50, that will be 50. Now that horizontal line became vertical here. This is horizontal, this is vertical. This is horizontal, this is vertical. This same line where the crosshair is there. This is vertical, this is horizontal. Let me take 50, specify another point, right? Because the ortho is on, so you can directly give 50 and enter. Means this is a hexagon of side length 50. So this is how polygon is drawn. So there were two options actually, through circle and through edge. In the circle, there were again two options, inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle. Okay. Now